Hi channel, this is a stream for my hair, but I'm not gonna use it today. But I can play with it. See? It can do everything. And backwards. Ruth, even if you're here alone without even testing. See? Magic. Wait, my channel?
Is it really magic?
Yeah, it's magic.
Okay. Your hair looks pretty.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain. The sorrows in your brain.
It's juicy.
Did you see?
This berries.
Road. They're tender.
Ntora se apewa mo thaeta ba thaba ntse juice. It's rich. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So yeah, I started the vlog yesterday actually, but I didn't make like a proper intro to this video. But yeah, my cousin and I were out and about running errands and stuff. So yeah, if you remember in my last vlog or 2 vlogs back, my cousin and I got free lunch from this very nice man in Block 3 Industrial. So yesterday we decided to pass by. He still had food, so we bought 2 plates from him. Very delicious, like his food is very nice. So yeah, that's the food that started this whole vlog. Then we went a bit of shopping. We met up with Adrizi. We did a little bit of shopping. I'll show you guys the stuff when I get home. So yeah, I think that's what I did yesterday. Today I'm from the hospital. If you guys don't know, I had an operation last year. I think last year, November or October, something like that. I had an operation. I was removing keloids. I never gave you guys an update. All you know is that I've been going every month to get injections. But yeah, update. The keloids are back, same size as they were before I had the operation. So basically, I've just been wasting my time for a whole year, wasting time and resources. But you know what? It's okay because it's a risk that I knew I was taking. So yeah, my plastic surgeon suggested that we do the operation again, only this time with radiation. So I don't know how I feel about that because there's a lot that goes in terms of like radiation. So radiation is only available in GPH and it's super expensive. So if I am gonna go through that route, then I'm gonna have to apply for like go MOH, Ministry of Health, for them to pay for like the whole procedure and everything, because they are troublesome. They're in a very odd area. So if I am gonna have like radiation, obviously side effects would be like ovarian cancer or me not having kids ever again. So I mean, I do have to book with the radiologist, I believe, go GPH, just to sit down and see if it's a risk that I'm willing to take, like what goes in to radiation and stuff before I decide to go through with it. So I don't know, I'm still thinking. Obviously a lot of praying is gonna have to go, you know, in this before I take it. It's so hot in the car. But yeah, we'll talk more about it another day. I just wanted to update you guys. I'm hot now. Right now I'm by Airport Junction. I bought really some shoes. I want to change them in Mr. Price. I hope I find the size. Then I have to quickly head home because I have to attend to a client. Then I'm gonna leave home again to go buy Riley some fruits. So yeah, I just thought let me update you guys quickly. We'll talk more about this, I promise, in this vlog. So yeah. So yeah, I'm home now. Managed to change Riley's shoes, managed to buy her fruits to take with when she goes to school. So yeah, also got myself some ice cream, some KFC, because you know I'm going through it. But it's okay, man. Like I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet. I obviously will think about it, like I said. It's so much money which I don't have. So Hagit, I really don't know. We'll see as time goes on. I'll keep you guys updated. We'll see what to do together. So yeah, I just thought let me show you guys the things that I said I bought the other day when there's still good lighting. Okay, so let me start with stuff that I got from Big Discount. Big Discount store. First we have this dress over here. We have this dress. It's a cute dress. It's a very nice dress in a red color, and yeah, there's nothing to it. What size is this? I got a size 5. It fits Riley perfectly. Also got this from Big Discount. This as a dress, guys. I don't know the prices that much. This was 6 to 7 years. It's actually from Mr. Price. but like I'm saying, I got it from big discount. I believe this was like 30 bucks. This was also probably like 30 bucks, the red dress. Huggies, I'm not too sure about the prices. From big discount, I also got the shirt dress. It has a brown belt, so yeah. It's also from Mr. Price. I got in a size 6 to 7. Size 6 to 7. Mr. Price say it's this much. I think this was also 30 bucks. Also got a pair of shorts from Miss Riley. Guys, this was all Riley stuff, ne? Because her birthday is coming soon in October. So yeah, her birthday is coming up in a few weeks. So I just got her some clothes. So yeah, I just thought let me just get her some clothes so that we can do nice things and she can feel good. We're gonna have a photo shoot this coming weekend, but it's gonna be in the next vlog. So yeah, these are the shorts that I got. I got these shorts in this color and a lighter blue, but she wore those yesterday, so they are quite dirty. They are in the laundry basket. I got this in a size, I don't know what size this is, but yeah, they fit her perfectly. Riley is relatively thin, if I put it that way. She gets slender and she's tall for like compared to her age mates. So yeah, I usually get like smaller sizes, more depends. Yeah, you are tall.
Really tall.
You are really tall.
Yeah.
Emma, yeah, she's really tall. So I also got these jeans. Also got these Total Girl. That's the brand. And a size, I could tell is the size 7 or 7 years, I believe. These are very good quality. I got these because they were tall, they were long, rather they were very long, and I knew they'd fit her right up to her ankles, which is very rare. Like, it's very hard for us to find such jeans for Riley. So these fit perfectly. These are like 40 bucks or 50 bucks, I'm not too sure. So yeah, these jeans. Also got these. I am in love with these jeans. You gotta get the mommy jeans or balloon jeans, something like that. But I really love these. They hug down there and on the waist. Really like these. That is the brand, and I got them in a size it's at 110 centimeters, which is perfect for Riley. So yeah, I wasn't with her. I usually buy like just, I look at the stuff and I'm like, oh, this would fit her, this wouldn't fit her. So that's what I did. But somehow I can't get her shoe size right. Every time I have to go back and change because they're too small. Oh yeah, that's all we got from big discount store. All these stuff were 280, including the shorts that I didn't show you guys, but because Riley wore them yesterday. Also went to Mr. Price yesterday, but I'm trying to show them. Got this in a size 7 to 8. It's actually just a bob tube type of top, you know. Yeah, she's gonna wear this with the balloon jean that I just showed you guys. And then she wore the other one. I think the other color is this pink color over here. It's a 2-pack, as you guys can see. And I believe these were like 60 bucks, 60 pula and 50 pula, Mr. Price. So yeah, it's a 2-pack. This is a tie and dye situation. Oh, is it what it is? The other ones are these ones. They're actually purple and not pink, like I said. So yeah, same size obviously. This is the color. Lastly, I managed to change your size. What? I want to change your size.
Oh, yay.
Lastly, got these. These are the shoes that I want to change. These are the shoes I want to change. So I initially got a size 11. She's not a size 11, she's a size 12. So yeah, I managed to find a 12. These are 130 pula. I really like these. Love them. Do you love them?
Yeah.
Okay. I also saw these shoes in your size. Do you like them?
No.
You don't like them? Okay. But on Raila, she doesn't like my shoes. Anyway, I got myself these shoes.
They're ugly and funny.
They're ugly and funny.
Yeah.
I got myself these very cute shoes. Yeah, I love them. They are very nice. Guys, I got a size 4. I'm a size 5, but I got a size 4. I fitted these in the shop. I fitted them in the shop, and there was just too much space left. So I got a size 4. So yeah, if you are to get these, you need to size down because you don't have like Justin J. So yeah, regular didn't be. I thought I was gonna get her these sometime.
No.
But sorry, no. Anyway, really love them. These are 150 pooler. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to show you guys. Oh no, it's not all. I got myself foundation. Hold on, let me get it. So lastly, I got this foundation. It's the Maybelline Fit Me. I've been trying to get this. I've been seeing Bovon Guy and other influencers post this, and I thought I need to try it. Apparently it's good for oily skin, and I think I have oily skin. I can't sure, but I think I do. So I got it in the shade 332. The lady who was assisting us at place said I should get this, and yeah, this will be my shade. So hopefully it is okay. I think I should try it on with you guys just a little bit.
It's crazy.
Like you can build it up. So it's just one layer.
Yeah, I think it's nice.
I think I said that Gary the is send.
Yeah.
I believe. So you're
What even something like one into something.
come on, I gotta get paid.
But it should be matte.
No, matte, yes, but I feel like it's pale. This is the side I applied. This is the side I didn't apply.
Like it's not bad.
I guess it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna bed. Compare side to Galaka. Oh my god. Hey. Okay. Yeah, I think I like it. Eh. No. What's happening? What's happening?
Like what thought? You better something else.
Alright. Anyway, I think I like it. It's good.